Tere jälle! The last time we learned the simple past tense in Estonian. Today we can see the exceptional verbs whose past form does not follow the rule we saw the last time. Let's have a look at the verb tegema, to do. Do you have an example? Ma tegin, sa tegid, ta tegi, me tegime, te tegite, nad tegid. So there is no S affix in the verb anymore, and you can only see the letter I instead. Also, the other irregular verbs have the same endings. Olema, to be, tulema, to come, nägema, to see, pesema, to wash, pidama, to have to must, panema, to put. Sometimes there is a vowel change in the stem. Sööma, to eat, ma sõin. Jooma, to drink, ma jõin. Tooma, to bring, ma tõin. Also the verb minema, to go, is an exceptional verb. There is an S letter in the stem, however the past form clearly does not derive from the ma infinitive. To negate, we again have to use the nud form. We already saw the nud form of some of the irregular verbs in the video about the present perfect. But this time we have more verbs, so let's go through them again. Ei teinud, ei olnud, ei tulnud, ei näinud, ei pesnud, ei pidanud, ei pannud, ei söönud, ei joonud, ei toonud, ei läinud. Now you know how to talk about the past events in Estonian. On our website you can find games to practice the past tense and many other games to practice different topics on Estonian language. They are all free and I hope they are useful. Aitäh vaatamast! Thank you for watching! Head aega!